What is Buchholz relay? As we know that transformers are common in substations for transmission and distribution purpose. They are the integral part of these substations. But whenever there is a continuous load required, they may come under overheating or faulty situation, which may lead to the fire hazards also. Thus, protection of transformer is a very important factor for spontaneity of power supply. Thus, relays are the best saviors for such conditions. And Buchholz relay is the most important relay used in transformers. Therefore, Buchholz relay is a type of oil and gas actuated protection relay universally used on all oil-immersed transformers having rating more than 500 kVA. Now we will discuss the Buchholz relay in detail. So the Buchholz relay is used for the protection of transformers from the faults occurring inside the transformer. Short circuit faults such as interturn faults, incipient winding faults and core faults may occur due to the impulse breakdown of the insulating oil or simply the transformer oil. Buchholz relay will sense such faults and close the arm circuit. Buchholz relay is not provided in relays having rating below 500 kVA from the point of view of economic considerations. Now coming to the discussion of working principle of Buchholz relay. Buchholz relay relies on the fact that an electrical fault inside the transformer tank is accompanied by the generation of gas. And if the fault is high enough, it will be accompanied by a surge of oil from the tank to the conservator. Whenever a fault occurs inside the transformer, the oil in the transformer tank gets overheated and gases are generated. The generation of the gases depends mainly on the intensity of fault produced. The heat generated during the fault will be high enough to decompose the transformer oil, and the gases produced can be used to detect the winding faults. This is the basic principle behind the working of the Buchholz relay. Now coming to the constructions. Buchholz relay can be used in the transformers having the conservators only. It is placed in the pipe connecting the conservator and the transformer tank. It consists of an oil-filled chamber, two hinged floats, one at the top of the chamber and the other at the bottom of the chamber, which accompanies a mercury switch. Each is present in the oil-filled chamber. The mercury switch on the upper float is connected to an external alarm circuit, and the mercury switch on the lower is connected to an external trip circuit. Now here, we will discuss the working operation of Buchholz relay. Operation of the Buchholz relay is very simple. Whenever any mirror fault occurs inside the transformer, heat is produced by the fault currents. The transformer oil gets decomposed and gas bubbles are produced. These gas bubbles move towards the conservator through the pipeline. These gas bubbles get collected in the relay chamber and displace oil equivalent to the volume of gas collected. The displacements of oil tilts and hinged float at the top of the chamber, thereby the mercury switch closes the contacts of the alarm circuit. The amount of gas collected can be viewed through the window provided on the walls of the chamber. The amount of gas indicates the severity of, and its color indicates the nature of fault occurred. In case of minor faults, the float at the bottom of the chamber remains unaffected because the gases produced will not be sufficient to operate it. Now let us summarize Buchholz relay.